This is the 3D Viewmaster Showtime Mork and Mindy. Mindy McConnell is a bright and pretty all-American girl from Boulder, Colorado. Her life might have remained normal if a space-heavy wanderer, Mork from Ork, hadn't paid her a visit. Now Mindy shares her life with an alien being who has come to Earth in a flying egg, talks to plants, sleeps upside down and drinks soda pop with his finger. See off the wall, Mork and down to earth, Mindy in color and 3D, as they prove how hilarious life on two different planets can be. Mork and Mindy in crazy 3D and color is out of this world. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. The Mork and Mindy Show. Picture 2. An alien visitor. Picture 3. Not extraordinary, just extraterrestrial. Picture 4. Go just past the Big Dipper and take an up. Picture 5. How can I? You're not even hollow. Picture 6. The Nimnuls lost the rest of my luggage. Picture 7. Who else came to Earth in a flying egg? Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1. Show and tell. Picture 2. Mork's alien nap. Picture 3. Mork's alien lover, a real doll. Picture 4. Drinking tickets. Picture 5. Spaced out greetings. Picture 6. Antlered buddies. Picture 7. Conclusion. Mork is a spaceman. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1. The menu on Ork. Picture 2. A couple on Earth. Picture 3. Timeless. Picture 4. Regardless. Picture 5. No doubts. Picture 6. Friends. Picture 7. Together. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up